Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon naman ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kuhanin yung end term ng isang geometric sequence. Sa pagkuha ng end term ng isang geometric sequence, pwede natin gamitin itong formula na ito. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Kung saan yung a sub n is yung ating unknown term at yung a sub 1 naman is yung ating first term and yung r is the common ratio, while yung ating n sa may exponent, yan yung posisyon ng terms na hinahanap sa atin. Pang ilan ba yung ating n term? Then yung 1, it is a fixed number. So, ibig sabihin, hindi yan nagbabago, lagi yan 1. Now, for example, if we need to find for the fifth term of the sequence, negative 6, 12, negative 24, so, ang una natin gagawin para makuha natin yung fifth term ng sequence na ito is to find for the common ratio. So, paano nga ba kinukuha yung common ratio? So, you need to divide for the second term, divide yung ating first term. Bawal sila magkapalit. Una lagi yung second term divided by the first term. So, yung second term natin is 12 at yung first term natin is negative 6. So, ang mangyayari sa ating equation is r is equal to 12, which is yung ating second term, and negative 6 yung ating first term. Divide natin sila, ang answer natin is negative 2. So, kung negative 2 yung ating common ratio, try natin siyang i-multiply doon sa ating sequence. So, negative 6 times negative 2 is 12. 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. So, kung tama siya dun sa tatlong yan, ibig sabihin geometric sequence talaga siya. Kapag hindi siya nagtugma, ibig sabihin hindi yan geometric sequence. Ibang formula yung ginagamit sa pagkuha ng end term. Pero dahil geometric sequence siya, ang gagamitin nating formula is the a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Then kapag eto na yung formula natin, isa-substitute na lang natin yung ating mga values doon sa formula. So, ang lalabas is a sub 5 is equal to negative 6 times negative 2 raised to 5 minus 1. So, saan ang galing yan? Diba? Yung n natin, a sub n is equal to a sub 5. Bakit a sub 5? Kasi pang fifth term daw yung hinahanap natin. So, ang a sub 5 determines the fifth term. Ngayon, yung a sub 1 is the first term. So, therefore, it is equal to negative 6. Kaya siya negative 6 dito. So, yung r natin, that is the common ratio. Since nung nakuha natin yung common ratio, that is negative 2, kaya to negative 2. Yung n natin dito, dahil fifth term nga, so pang ilan ba yung hinahanap natin? Eh, di pang 5, kaya siya 5. Then, minus 1, lagi yung minus 1. Okay? Reminders lang, kapag nagsasubstitute tayo ng value, kailangan ilagay nyo lagi sa parenthesis yung value na sinasubstitute natin. Itong n na to, pwede natin i-parenthesis din si 5 kung kayo medyo nalilito. Pero, since subtraction naman yung kadikit niya, so therefore, pwede na natin hindi lagyan ng parenthesis. Pero kung lalagyan ng parenthesis, wala naman siyang kaso. Much better nga para hindi kayo nalilito kung gagamit man kayo ng calculator. Ngayon, so yung a sub 5 is equal to negative 6 times negative 2 raised to 5 minus 1. Uunahin natin yung exponent according kay PEMDAS. So, yung nasa exponent natin is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay? Ngayon, etong dalawang to, wag nyo munang imumultiply hanggat itong exponent ni negative 2 ay hindi pa naayos. Bakit? Kasi magkakamali kayo kung i-multiply nyo agad to bago nyo ni-raise sa 4. Exponent muna tayo bago multiplication. Okay? So, negative 2 raised to 4. Okay? Exponent muna. So, that is equal to positive 16. 16 times negative 6 is equal to negative 96. So, therefore, yung fifth term na ating geometric sequence, negative 6, 12, negative 24 is equal to negative 96. Now, let's have another example. If we need to find for the seventh term in the geometric sequence 7, 28, 112, 448, and so on, diba ang una natin gagawin is to find for the common ratio. So, yung common ratio natin is nakukuha by dividing yung ating second term sa ating first term. So, 28 divided 7 is equal to 4. So, try muna natin yung common ratio i-multiply doon sa ating mga terms para malaman natin if it is really a geometric sequence. So, 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 28 times 4 is equal to 112. 112 times 4 is equal to 448. So, therefore, it is a geometric sequence. Pwede na nating substitute yung mga values doon sa ating formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the common ratio raised to n minus 1. So, therefore, substitute na natin siya, mangyayari is equal to a sub 7. Saan ang galing yung a sub 7? Dahil 7 term yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Yung equal siya kay 7, kasi 7 yung ating first term. 4 to, kasi yung common ratio natin is 4. Galing siya dito sa common ratio natin na 4. Then, yung ating n is 7, kasi pang 7 yung position na hinahanap natin, minus 1. So, constant yung 1. Ngayon, kinompute natin yung 7 minus 1, kaya siya naging 6 dito. Then, ito naman, 4 raised to 6. So, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So, 6 na beses mo i-multiply yung 4 sa sarili niya. So, that is equal to 4,096. So, 4,096 times 7 is equal to 28,672. Therefore, yung 7 term ng sequence na 7, 28, 112, and 448 is 28,672. Let's have another example. If we need to find for the 10th term in the geometric sequence 24, 12, 6, 3, and so on. So, unahin ulit natin, kuhanin yung common ratio by dividing ang ating second term kay first term. So, therefore, it will be equal to 12 divided by 24. So, second term yung nasa numerator, first term yung nasa denominator. Kasi mas nauuna siya i-divide kaysa kay first term. So, 12 divided by 24 is equal to 1 half. Saan ang galing yung 1 half? That is the simplification ng 12 divided by 24. So, dinivide both numerator and denominator by 12. So, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. Or, kapag dinivide natin si 12 divided by 24 is equal to 0.5. So, kung nahihirapan kayo mag-simplify ng fractions, pwede naman kayo gumamit ng scientific calculator. Madali lang yan. Type nyo lang yung 12 over 24. Lalabas po dyan yung 1 half. Yung 0.5, actually, yung pinakabasa dito is 5/10. Pero, para mas maintindihan nyo ako, mas common na words na ginagamit sa kanya is 0.5. Pero, yung talagang tamang bigkas sa kanya is 5/10. Pina-clarify ko lang yun. Okay, ngayon, yung second natin gagawin is yung substitute natin, yung values natin dun sa ating formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the common ratio raised to n minus 1. So, yung a sub n natin is equal to a sub 10. Bakit siya a sub 10? Kasi pang 10th term yung ating hinahanap. So, yung first term naman natin ay 24. Yung ating common ratio is 1 half. 1 half, then yung ating n is 10 minus 1. So, unahin ulit natin yung ating exponent. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Kaya siya 9 dito. Ngayon, ito naman, 1 half raised to 9. So, paano ba nagre-raise ng isang base na fraction? So, yung numerator, i-raise natin kay 9, while yung denominator, i-raise din natin kay 9. So, 1 raised to 9 is 1. 2 raised to 9 is equal to 512. So, lalabas dyan is 1 divided by 512. So, 24 times 1, yung gagawin natin, kasi kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng whole number by fraction, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Since si 24, wala siyang denominator, automatically yung denominator nito is 1. So, 24 times 1 is 24. Then, 1 times 512 is 512. Ngayon, yung 24 divided by 512 ay kailangan natin i-simplify. So, yung simplification niya is 3 over 64. Ngayon, yung 3 over 64, kung gusto nyo siyang i-divide, so 3 divide 64 is equal to 0.05 or 500. So, therefore, yung sagot natin is 500 or 3 over 64, yung 10th term ng geometric sequence na 24, 12, 6, and 3. So, that is our lesson for today. Thank you!